Wait.
All right, here we go. How are we
So,
going to figure out a factor? So we got to use factor by grouping, right? All right, so the key to factor by grouping is split these up. Put a plus sign here. Okay, so you're adding these two.
So it'd be negative
Right?
2x?
So yes, it would be negative 2x. So you're just kind of moving this in, right? Plus negative 2x, right? And so I'm going to go in and go, okay, what goes into both of these? X what? Squared. Okay, so I got 2x minus 3. And then what goes into both of these?
okay, green. You start working.
Close. A little further.
2.
No.
I don't even know what we're talking about.
Negative 1. Why? Why would I want to use a negative 1?
To get rid of that negative.
Yeah, I want these to be the same.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh.
And then this will become 2x minus 3, right?
Yeah.
And so what happens now is I get x squared times 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 times negative 1. And so what goes into both of those? What goes into both of these?
Wait, sir.
What goes into both of
What
what?
goes into both of these?
What are you
2x
pointing? What are
minus
you
3.
pointing at?
Yeah. 2x minus 3. And then what's left?
X squared and 1.
Fucking confused.
Right?
Or negative 1.
So what I'm left with here is 2x minus 3 times x squared minus 1. Now can I break the x squared minus 1 down?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's rewrite this. 2x minus 3 and x squared minus 1. And I can break the x squared minus 1 down, you said, right?
Yeah.
And the difference of two squares, right?
Is that round or circle?
So this comes down, 2x minus 3, and then this comes down into x minus plus 1, 1, right? So the question is, which one of these is a factor? Well, 2x minus 3 is a factor, but so is x minus 1, and so is x plus 1. So there's 3 answers to this question. And this is something that would be missed on that SBAC, because sometimes they have more than one correct answer. So when you have A, B, C, and D, and A is what?
X plus 2.
X plus 2, and B is,
We mean you did that.
2x minus 3.
and C,
X plus 1.
and D.
X minus 1.
You're fired.
You have to say it's B, C, and D,
So it's B.
or you get it wrong.
So it's
If you say it's just B, wrong. If you say it's just D, wrong. If you say it's just C,
That's correct.
wrong. If you say it's C and D, wrong.
C, D.
Right? You have to say B, C, and D,
B, C, and D?
Yeah, because they're all right.
because they're all right.
Wait. B, C, and D.
Yeah.
Andy?
And D.
And D.
Like Woody? Like Woody's owner? And?
Yep. And it's like Andy.
Andy?
Andy.
So it's like the first, like the next three.
It's the last 3.
Second, third.
All right.
fourth letters of the alphabet.
Now, how are we going to do this one? So this one, we want to break it down. I would look at, does 6 go into 42?
Yes.
Okay. How many times?
7.
Okay. Does 7 go into 6 or 2? So I always do the numbers first. So 6 times 2 is 12, right?
Right.
C.
Okay. And 7 times 1 is 7. So now I have my numbers taken care of. And they're reduced. Now I'm going to worry about the top. And then I'm going to worry about the bottom. Because to me it's just easier that way. So I go with my A's first. When I multiply, I add, right?
Yeah.
So what's 5 plus 15 plus 1?
21. Yeah.
21. Okay, then what's 1 plus 6 plus 1?
8.
Okay,
Good job.
and then on the bottom, I do the same thing. What's 6 plus 9 plus 2?
15, 17.
Okay, And then what's 3 plus 3 plus 4?
10.
There you go.
Alright, let's go, E.
Why is that so
And now I take the smallest number from the biggest number, and the bigger number wins. Right? The bigger number wins. So what's bigger, 21 or 17?
You can't tell.
Right?
Yeah.
So 17 from 21 is how much?
4.
4. So I'm going to have 12 and 7 and a to the 4 because the bigger number wins. Which one's bigger, 10 or 8?
10.
10. So what's 8 from 10?
2.
So that's b squared. And there it is, son.
Bitch. Let's go.
It's all day.
Bro, it's still recording.
It's like cake.
I didn't mean to say that now.